Hey, what's up everybody? It's Gwen and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I created this cornrow hairstyle featuring the TECHMERI high-speed hair dryer. If you enjoy this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also be sure to turn on all your notifications and follow me on Instagram and TikTok at SoNaturallyGwen. Alright, let's get started. So I'm starting this look on freshly washed hair. All of the products I use today will be listed in the description box. To do this hairstyle, I'm going to start by blowing out my hair using the TECHMERI high-speed hair dryer. I'm going to turn it on. It has a learning curve, as you can see, but I eventually got the hang of it. So I forgot to explain this. The hair dryer has two buttons. The left controls the speed of the fan and the right controls the temperature. There's also a cool blast button below the on-off switch. Low temperature is 140 degrees Fahrenheit, which is what I used. I also used the low fan setting because it was the quietest. So first I used the tension method to stretch out my curl pattern. I basically used my fingers to kind of finger detangle and get my curl pattern a little bit stretched out. Then I'm going to go in with a boar bristle brush to get a smoother blowout. This blow dryer worked out really well. I was really pleased with it. First, the blow dryer is smaller than a lot of my other blow dryers, and I feel like it's also quieter than my other blow dryers. For these reasons, I have used this blow dryer again since filming this video. The two cons I found with this hair dryer is that the nozzle is 360 degrees rotation, so you can swivel it around wherever you want, but it does move around if I'm not careful. Also, it does have a very sleek design, which is nice, but it doesn't have any way for me to grip the blow dryer, so I found that my hands would slide around when I'm trying to hold it. Because I use a lot of hair products with a lot of oils, this was a little annoying. So I'm just going to repeat the same steps on the rest of my hair. And this is how my hair looks when it's fully blown out. Now I'm going to hot comb my edges and my parts so that my roots lay nice and flat. Next, I'm going to move on to the cornrows. I got this pre-stretched hair from the beauty supply store. It's from the brand Afri and is 52 inches in the color 1B. I ended up really liking this hair. It was pretty similar to my blown out hair texture and was really soft. So apparently this is the best braiding jam, so I decided to get it. I use this to make my parts nice and clean. I liked it. It was really soft on my hair, not super drying or sticky, and gave me a nice smooth medium hold. It was nice to use on my parts and to help to kind of lay my roots. So now I'm going to use some edge control and do my baby hairs before starting my cornrow. I watched a video by Paging Dr. Dre, and she recommended for hairstyles like this, doing your baby hairs first before you go into the cornrows or whatever hairstyle you want. Just because if your hair is long, then it'll be hard to kind of style them later, so it's good to style them in the beginning. So I'm going to cornrow my hair straight back. Make sure you keep your arms straight. Don't lean them to one side or else your braid's gonna look twisted. And then once I get past my scalp, I'm going to add the hair. So I will link some videos if I can find some that were helpful. You're gonna just have to watch a lot of videos and learn how to add the braiding hair. I did mess up the first one, so it's okay. Just only use little bits of hair. You don't want to add too much because your braid has to end at some point, which was my problem. So I ended up adding only 2 or 3 small bunches of hair to the braid, and it helped to add the length and to keep my hair looking thick all the way to the end. And once I got to where my natural hair ended, I added more of the braiding jam and used some Got To Be spray on top. So as you can see, I ended up doing 6 braids total. Once the hairstyle was done, I applied some mousse all over the braids and then sprayed it down with some Got To Be spray. Then I'm going to set my hair. I used a stretchy satin scarf. These are my favorite. They lay my hair down really nice. and then I applied a big satin scarf on top. And this is how my hair looks when my hair is all set. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you again to TECHMERI for partnering with me for today's video. Check out their high-speed hair dryer using the link in my description box, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!